If you're a golfer and you like to play, but you don't have money to play every day or to join some sort of country club, but you also want to feel the excitement of joining a tournament and being a part of a leaderboard and seeing how you match up against everybody on the planet, it's here. This actually exists now. In VR, you can play golf so well that it's better than any golf simulator I could put in a garage. I'm going to show you all how to walk your way through it. It's a little bit confusing how to get to the tournaments, the live cash prizes. Q School opens up this week. It's all happening right now on Golf Plus in VR, and I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate your way through that. It's all through Discord, but once you figure it out, it's so easy, and there's not a lot of videos on how to do it. So if you want to play tournaments in golf from the comfort of your own living room, drink a beer between every hole in your living room, on your couch, in shorts, in your underwear, doesn't matter. You can compete against me, but be careful because I'm going to kick your ass. Let me show you how to do this. It's easy and so much fun. All right, friends, here we go. So you're going to head over to discord.com and you're going to search for the Golf Plus channel. It looks like this, Golf Plus. Once you get there, you'll see you can start here. It's got a whole bunch of stuff for you, but really on the left is where you're going to navigate through. A lot of people don't know Discord really at all, and it can be really kind of a little bit daunting, but there's a lot of tabs over here on the left. Once you get into the Golf Plus channel, start here, and then you've got updates where the devs are all over this. The game developers are all over this Discord channel. So you can put in, like there's a wish list right here where people can ask for things. People really want to be able to change the weather. They want to be able to hit the trigger and see the distance from where I am. Like people just talk to the devs and they actually pick up some of the things that the people ask for and put it right in the game in the next update. I mean, they took one of my wish list items and put it right in the next update. It was awesome. So people talk about their weekly challenges through the game here and kind of just, this is more social stuff. But what you want is all the way down here when you see tournament seasons. They'll have the announcements for what's going on, and then you can play your daily tournaments right here. Every single day there's a tournament that's either pro level, amateur level, or novice level. So you'll click on one. You say, we'll click on the pro one. And what it's going to do, you should do this on your phone too, because what's going to happen is it's going to take you to the tournament page. Now you can see on hole 5, my man Walt Stevens over here has the closest to the pin at 4.83 feet. Hole 7, it's Foz, 3.66 feet. You can see the scorecard. You can see how everybody's doing in yesterday's tournament. Today's tournament doesn't start. Every tournament starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. So today's tournament hasn't started yet. We're looking at yesterday's daily tournament in the pro section. And these guys are studs, man. I mean, they're up here like minus 12 in the pro section. Pro means no help at all. It's just like playing golf. And it's weird because I have the exact same score on a golf course that I do when I play pro here in VR, which is about a 15 handicap. So moving on, let's just go here. So if you wanted to play this, what you would do is you would play solo. You'd click that, and you're going to do this on your phone. And then what's going to happen is you click this link, and it's going to take you to the tournament page. And when you do this on your phone, there will be a launch button right here. You click launch, and then it'll launch it into your headset. You put on your headset, and there's a button that says continue. You click it, and it takes you, it literally loads up Golf Plus just by clicking this button here and taking you to the specific tournament page. And so when you put your headset on, Golf Plus will start loading, and then when it loads, you're sitting at the first hole of wherever the course is for this tournament today. And you press start, and then you play through the tournament, and it logs everything right here. It's awesome. All right, so that's how you do it. But that's very simple. It's just how the daily tournaments work. And if you want to play along with daily tournaments, this is how you do it. Golf Plus, head down to daily tournament, click on it, and then launch it through the link. Okay. But what I wanted to also show you all here today is that there is a second channel, because on the wish lists, we started asking for, hey, is there a way that we can really start playing against each other? Some sort of like sanctioned season, cash prizes. I want the ability to wager against each other on shots, on holes, on rounds. So what I found is that if you find a new channel now, and you're going to search on Discord for the channel VR PGA Tour, you can see it right here, VR PGA Tour. And when I click on that, this is what is happening right now. Topher James is the one that's running it. Season 1 career mode opens this week with Q School starting right now. Now, the Legends Tour, Q School is a 3-round tournament happening all week this week, the week of May 22nd, 2023. You have 3 rounds, and you have all week to do it. You have to make the cut after the first 2 rounds. And what this is going to do is going to qualify you for the first for season 1 to either be a part of the Legends Tour or everybody else, which is the Rising Stars Tour. We're all trying to get into the Legends Tour, and we're going to all spend all week trying to do this today. First place gets $60 real cash. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but it's just enough. It's just something to say, I'm competing for something. Really, you're competing to see how you stack up against everyone else. But what happens right now is if you wanted to be a part of this, you would head over to Discord, VRPGA Tour, and then you're going to go to Q School Sign Up. Okay? If you want to sign up for this, I think they're still taking signups because you have all week to do it. All you have to do is click on this little green button here because this used to say 80 and now it says 2. So it looks like they took all of the people who were signed up, got us all in, and now they're taking new signups as well. So all you do is come in here, go to Q School Sign Up, click on this green check. It'll now say 3 instead of 2, and you're set. Then what ends up happening, if you want to talk to people, you can go to the Q School chat. This is me. We're all checking to make sure we're purple so that we're good to go. The official tournament link is right here. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. It's right here. Forget that. Come up here. Tournament link. And here it is. This is for Q School this week. Round 1 is going to be from the back tees, easy pins, low wind, and super fast pro greens. All happening at Valhalla. And what's cool is then you're going to play the next one. It's going to be different settings, but all at Valhalla. Round 3, different settings, but all at Valhalla. So it's just like being a part of a weekend tournament like, the pros do, always playing at the same course, but every day it plays a little differently because of the different settings. Now, if you wanted to play, you would do just like we did before. I'm going to do this later today, my first round of Q School, trying to qualify for that Legends Tour. You'd go in here. This now is open. Because I guess they opened at 8 a.m. Sweet. And so you'd click on round 1. No players yet. How about that? Just started. All right. You'd play solo. You'd click on this. And then it'll give you a launch button here if you were doing it on your phone. I'm not logged in, I guess, to my Oculus account. But you'll see a launch button. That's all you do. You click the launch button and it'll start loading in your headset. And then you are off and running. So if you really wanted to see how you do and stack up against people, this is how you do it. And I got to tell you, it is extremely fun. This game is so accurate. It's so much more accurate than any kind of garage simulator I've ever tried. And I've tried good ones. It doesn't hurt your wrist by having so much contact hitting into a mat all day, every day. You can just play from your living room in the air conditioning. You play different courses. They have Pinehurst, Sawgrass, Scottsdale, Yale, Valhalla. Like, they have all these courses, and they add them, usually about once a month. And they're starting to add patrons in the courses too, so that people are like watching you as you play. It's crazy. And you can also play against other people live. It's really great. But if you wanted a season to be a part of and a tournament schedule, it is all right here. You get started on Golf Plus on Discord. You can play on your daily tournaments and start to get used to the idea of how this works. Then when you're ready, head over to the VRPGA Tour. Do it by the end of this week so you can head to Q School and get logged into whatever tour you place. Either the Legends Tour or the Rising Stars. Either way, I'll see you over there. Good luck and get after it. This is so awesome, and I'm so excited that we all get to enjoy this together. If you're excited about it, if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. This is super simple, and I'm happy to help out anybody who needs help. Have fun, everyone.